Okay, the wires have been, original board is all stripped out and the wiring is all stripped out. The motors are connected together in parallel, not series. There is a power supply that's variable right here. So we're going to set that down a little bit, and that's going to give us a bit of cruise control. This is a relay switch. Like this fella, 6-pin relay switch. And that's how the pattern is underneath there. Power goes into here. This is the original rectifier from AC to DC. So all of this is DC. This is a remote control device from this here toy truck. This is a power supply, 12 volt to 4.5 volts, 5 volts from your car. That's the one you plug into your power point. Yeah, so power's coming from the track, goes into your rectifier. Comes out of the rectifier, goes into the power control circuit. Power control circuit. Like one of these. Let's get an X on it because I didn't do that one right. What that does is it controls the voltage. So if you've got 20 volts coming into the train, it's only going to put out 15 at max. So you can still slow this down from here to there and back and forth, and that controls the voltage coming into it. AC converts it into DC, but this still goes up and down. It's still variable. This still goes up and down, still variable. Comes into here. This keeps it at a steady voltage. If it drops, it will draw more from the circuit, from the AC. So it's going to draw more from here to here, which is basically a cruise control. This here is the relay. When I hit this guy here from left to right, it's going to switch this relay here from forwards to backwards. No neutral. This guy here, that's the power supply, like I said, for this board. And that's straight out of your lighter power point in your pickup truck. And you tear that apart and you've got, right away you've got down to 5 volts. Many amps as you can think of. Works just great. Wires it into here where it comes in normally from this old piece of equipment here. And the batteries. See, batteries are down there. Okay? Comes up through here. One's there, one's there. So one's negative, one's positive. You hook the correlating wires into here and you get the same thing. So we are going to eventually put in between these two wires over here, which is this button motor, and that will go into another relay like this here, and I will simply make that an on-off so there's power into the two wires going here for your uncouplers. So when I click that, it'll simply click this here. It'll simply click that little relay here, and it'll just turn power on off. But on this side here, you're going to have AC directly into it. One wire is all the way from the train track. The other one comes up from the train track center rail maybe, and into here and through one of the switches. So as soon as I click on that, through this relay, I can put direct AC voltage right off the track right into this, which is actually better than Lionel's, because now you get the full voltage and it clicks for sure every time. Alright, that's basically it. I'm going to try to put it together and put it on the track and see what happens.